तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचंद्राय राधिकावै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च विष्णुभक्ति प्रदे देवी सप्तवत्यै भक्ताविहीनाम् अपराधलक्षै कृतास्य कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्नं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम्। भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितास्यं वदामि राधां करुणभराद्र ततो ममान्नस्ते गतिर्न कापि। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vamana Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all of Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So today is very super excellent, auspicious day because today is Ekadashi Tithi, especially in the month of Shravani Ekadashi Tithi, and Chaturmasha, just 15 days before, we also celebrate Guru Purnim in Savan. So today is Shravani first Ekadashi Tithi. So this is very super excellent, auspicious day. Soon we will also celebrate the disappearance day of Srila Rupa Goswami Path just after 15 days, and also celebrate Jhulan Utsav and 5 days in Jhulan Utsav in Vrindavan. So just I want to speak few words. How Srimati Radhika, she comes from Javat to Barshanaka. Gurudev very nicely explained in this month of Shravan, because according to the Vedic culture and in Vrindavan, in Vrindavan, all the married ladies, they also return back from their father-in-law's house to mother-in-law's father-in-law's house to and their parents' house as your Pitrigriha. And because this is the tradition is going on. And if it, so all the Braj young girls, they also assemble in Barsana, and all they return back from their father-in-law's house to their parents' house. And mostly uh, these young married girls, they are staying in their father's house and at least 1 month. Some also staying in 4 months, Chaturmasya. But mainly they are staying in their father's house and at least 1 month. And in 7 months, very important and in our Braj tradition. And and also Indian, this is called also Barsha Ritu. Barsha means that is called a rainy season. Well, so most of the time, this time also raining. eh? Nowadays climate completely changed. But according to our Shastra and at the time of Krishna and that time also Braj rainy season, that's called Rimjim Barish. And it is sometimes also what is called rain, not so much, sometimes also drizzling, sometimes very heavy rain, because this is the month of um, Shravan, that is called a rainy season. Because and in this rainy season, people they are very overjoyed because um, Braj before few months so much um, hot. That is called a Grishma Ritu. Grishma means summer season, especially in Braj, summer season meaning very hot. Um, Sometimes also 55 degrees, you cannot believe. Um, where generally temperature and 40, 45 this way, but sometimes also 55 degrees. And Gurudev also told sometimes the rays of the sun very hot, the skin of the deer and also burn, and हिरण के चमड़ा चमड़ा भी जो है जल जाते थे. And sometimes deer they also suffering from the rays of the sun, uh, and very hot, and especially in Braj one wind also blowing and very dangerous wind, that is called Lu. Hmm? Lu means that one kinds of gust of wind, very hot, and that air enter in your body, maybe will be die, and very dangerous also. And so, and Braj completely dry, and everywhere also dust is what is called flowing. क्या बोल रहे धूल उड़ रहे हैं, and everybody completely are and uncomfortable, and so in Braj this way, and all the trees completely dry, and people cannot and sleep also night time, and even night time also very hot, because Lu air is blowing, very hot Lu air, not so easy to them. Nowadays people also use many kinds of mm, scientific way, that cooler is AC and different way. But at the time of ancient time in Braj, just they survive themselves. Um, uh, Even the um, tortoise, they also enter inside of the mud, because Jumna almost dry, and all the rivers almost dry, nothing in this way. But when rainy season coming, eh, then everybody's heart completely overjoyed. And so in this month of Shravan, that is called the rainy season. Sukhdev Goswami Pad also very nicely described about rainy season in Srimad Bhagavatam. And so when the rainy season month of Shravan coming, the rain coming, then everybody's heart overjoyed. And the farmer they cultivate the land, and so and all the ponds all the ponds and rivers completely full of water. So and, and sometimes whole day and night rain. It is raining, and especially and what you call frogs. They are making very celebration and making sound whole night, and because when the new rain coming and the frogs they are coming out from there the hole and jumping in the water, but they don't know that they are calling their death. eh, because when frog makes the sound, then snake coming and snake also bite to them. And so in this way, but anyhow, everybody had overjoyed, um, and especially in Braj, they one special celebration is going on that is called Jhulan Mahotsav. And Shri Krishna Bhavnamrit and also Govinda Lilamrit and Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami very nicely and glorified about Braj's Jhulan Jatra. And because Brajvasis, their heart completely overjoyed, especially Braj young girls, they are very happy because trees before were drying. Now when rain coming, the new leaves coming, and everything's also overjoyed. That is called new birth has come, Navin Jivan has come. And so Braj, this is the called the festival that is called Jhulan Jatra festival. According to Braj tradition, this Jhulan Jatra swing festival continue 4 months. But generally, this is the first month in Shravana. That is called end of June and beginning of the July. That is called the month of Shravan and rain coming. So Brajvasis, especially young girls, they also celebrate this Jhulan Jatra Mahotsav. So in Govinda Lilamrit Grantha and also Sri Krishna Bhavnamrit Grantha and Vishwanath Chakrabarti Pad and also and Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami and also Sri Krishna Bhav, what is another Grantha, Jhulan Jatra, that is called a book. The Kavi Karnapur very nicely also glorified about Braj Jhulan Jatra. And so now all Brajvasis, especially Braj young girls, they also celebrate this Jhulan Jatra Maho Mahotsav. Vrindavan Mahima. So Brajvasis and they also celebrate this Jhulan Jatra, and Jogmayasi very nicely arranged and one tamal trees and one and what is called eh? What is tree and kadam trees and kadamba trees there. Especially in Vrindavan, there is two kinds of kadamba. One is called Edi Kadamba and is called another Kadamba. So the Bokul another Kadamba. Just I forget what is name. So two kinds of Kadamba trees also in there. One Tamal tree and another is called Kadamba trees. And they also very nicely celebrate this Jhulan Jatra, Jogmasi arranged this way. But all Braj girls, they also returned back in their parents' house. But Srimati Radhika, she did not uh, come in her parents' house and Barsana. So Srimati Radhika, she is very eager. And when her brother Siddham will come and take him, take her to Jabat to and Barshana. So Srimati Radhika is very eager. And first day of Shravan, past second day, but still Ram is not coming. So Srimati Radhika is very eager when her brother then Shriram will come. Sometimes she also used to go in the top of the roof of her house, and she was looking towards Barshana, when my brother and Shriram will come. And sometimes Srimati Radhika, she did not see and her father, her brother Shriram is coming.
One moment, please. You're trying a new connection in India, so one moment, please. Everyone there is trying to connect, but it's not working. Please wait.
Huh? Hari Bol.
Yes, Gurudev, we can hear you.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol,
Do you
Gurudev.
listen?
Now we can hear you, yes.
Okay. So Srimati Radhika, she was waiting for her brother Sridham. When Sridham will come in Javat, and she will go to Barsana and with him. So maybe 2 and 3 days Sridham is not coming. So Srimati Radhika, she is very anxious, and when my brother Sridham will come. So Srimati Radhika also coming on the top of the roof of her house, and she was just looking the path, and when her brother will come, but she did not find out. Again, now, so coming in this way, then suddenly Srimati Radhika, she saw some, what is called, those who are collecting the wood in the forest, what is called, Pulinda, Pulindina. So they called to them, oh, if you are going to Barsana, you must to give information my father Vrishabhanu Maharaj, when my brother Siddham will come. And then but there is no result coming. Then Srimati Radhika, already 3 days passed, Srimati Radhika cannot tolerate. Then suddenly she saw her brother Shridam is gone. Eh? Eh? So then Srimati Radhika, she already packed all her clothes, everything. And Srimati Radhika, she gave up all her shyness. She opened the door and ran away towards the way and calling, "Oh my brother Shridam, Shridam." And then Srimati Radhika, she jumped in the chest of her brother Shridam and started to cry. Then Srimati Radhika and Shridam returned to both. Also very humble. Then I have to take that. They also agreed because this is the culture of Braj. They all the young married girls, they have to return back their parents' house. And was what Srimati Radhika, she did not wait for anything. Very quickly, she told brother, "I have to go." And then Sridham and Srimati Radhika, they proceed to Barshana. And then Srimati Radhika, in her mind, so many things is thinking. And on the roof of Barshana, then Vishwabhanu Maharaj was looking when my daughter Srimati Radhika she will come. When first Vishwabhanu Maharaj is almost Srimati Radhika, she arrived in Barshana. Then Vishwabhanu Maharaj he came down from the top of his house and opened the door. Then Srimati Radhika she jumped and climbed the chest of Vrishabhan Maharaj and started to cry. Saying, "Why did you not send my brother Siddham? And I am waiting for so long time. And Jugaito Nivesanam Chakusa Paprishaitam in this way. And 3 days she is thinking maybe 3 million age of Brahma. So for this regard, Maharaj also embraced Srimati Radhika on his chest and cried. And because this is the nature, because Srimati Radhika, she is called the Radhini Shakti. And the pleasure potency of Krishna, the one who touch the pleasure potency automatically and heart will melt. So for this regard, Vishwabhanu Maharaj, when he embraced Srimati Radhika, Vishwabhanu Maharaj heart completely melted. Anyhow, Vishwabhanu Maharaj told Srimati Radhika, this is not my fault. Every day I am saying, and Siddham, you have to go to bring your sister. But Siddham is saying, okay, tomorrow I'll go. Today I have this work. And so for this regard, he did not go. And in this way, Vishwabhanu Maharaj, he also pacified to Srimati Radhika. Then after a couple minutes, then Srimati Radhika, she met with Kirtika Sundari and cried. Both are meeting together and discuss and so many pastimes in Barshana. Then Srimati Radhika, he met with her all the Sukhi, especially Lalita, Vishakha, and Rupamanjari, others Sukhis, all they were waiting for Srimati Radhika in Barshana. Then Srimati Radhika and all her Sukhis, they also attend in Jhulan, in top of the mountain of Barshana, that is called the Parvat. Um, Brahma, Brahma Parvat, because in Barshana, Brahma ji, he also manifested in the mountain that is called Brahma Parvat, and also Vishnu also manifested one temple, one mountain that is called Vishnu Parvat is there. If you go Barsana, and especially when you Barsana Parikrama, and that is called Sankrikhor Parikrama, then you can see and the right side that is called the Brahma Parvat, and left side that is called Vishnu Parvat. And so Brahmaji, he manifested in the form of the mountain. So on the top of the mountain, and Srimati Radhika is very nice, beautiful. That is called the Singar Bhavan. That is where Radha and Krishna they meeting together, and also all the Sakhis, and they also perform the Jhulan in there. And now we are going to Barsana. Actually, when you are going to Barsana, top of the mountain, and that is called Radharani's place. And that is not the birthplace of Srimati Radhika. That is the place of Srimati Radhika, Vilas Krida Bhumi. That means where Radha and Krishna and all the Sokhis, they also performing sweet Leela. That is called Vilas Krida Bhumi. Srimati Radhika's actual birthplace, that means the house of Vrishabhanu Maharaj and Kritika is placed in the lap of the mountain and very down this thing. So now coming in this way, Srimati Radhika and her all Sakhis, they also very arrange very nice, beautiful Jhulan, Jhulan Jatra, Jhulan, that is called swing festival in there. And Krishna is very tricky. Krishna also sometimes he used to come there and meeting with Srimati Radhika in there. And so in our Braj, this tradition is going on this in top of the mountain of uh, Brahma Parvat. They are very nice, beautiful. They are in Krishna Karnam is Sri Krishna Bhavnamrit Grantha and Govinda Lilamrit Grantha, and also what Grantha? Ananda Bindavan Champu. Uh, Grantha also very nicely glorified how Radha and Krishna and the Sakhis, they also perform this Jhulan Jatra. Especially in this month of Shravan, um, when the rain coming, not so heavy rain, what is called? Drizzling, that rim jhim barsha. And Gurudev use this word, that is called rim jhim barsha. And the gopis, they also use very nice, beautiful silken sari, and they also doing very nice, beautiful Jhulan Jatra, and their body complete with the rain of and and Shravan, and all they are singing this song, Braj traditional song that is called Jhula Jhule Damodar Vrindavan mein, Jhula Jhule Radha Damodar Vrindavan mein, वृंदावन में राधा कुंजन गलीन में झूला झूले राधा दामोदर वृंदावन में झूला झूले राधा दामोदर वृंदावन में वृंदावन में राधा कुंजन गलीन में झूला झूले राधा दामोदर वृंदावन में वृंदावन में राधा कुंजन गलीन में झूला झूले राधा दामोदर वृंदावन में झूला झूले राधा दामोदर वृंदावन में कैसे छाई होरी आली आली कुंजन में कैसे छाई होरी आली आली कुंजन में झूला झूले राधा दामोदर वृंदावन में उत्नंद को दुलारो उत भानु की दुलारी उत्नंद को दुलारो उत भानु की दुलारी जोरी लागे ओती प्यारे बोसी नयन में झूला झूले राधा दामोदर वृंदावन में जमुना के कूल पर यह सुरंग दुकूल, कैसे खेल रहे फूल इन कदम में, झूला झूले राधा दामोदर वृंदावन में। गौर श्याम रंग घन दामिनी के रंग, भैया खिया अपंग छवि भोरी मन में, झूला झूले राधा दामोदर वृंदावन में। राधा मुकुर नयन श्याम के चकोर, सुखी अन्न प्रेम डोरी कुंगोर लगी चरण में, झूला झूले दामोदर वृंदावन में, झूला झूले राधा दामोदर वृंदावन में, झूला झूले राधा दामोदर वृंदावन में। राधा मुकुर मन और घन दामिनी के संग, भैया खिया अपर छवि भरी मन में, झूला झूले दामोदर वृंदावन में, झूला झूले राधा दामोदर वृंदावन में। In this way, especially Braj Gopis, they also perform sweet Jhulan Mahotsav. They celebrate the Jhulan Mahotsav, and Srimati Radhika and all the Sokhis, they completely absorbed in the Jhulan Mahotsav. Braj, not only the Barshana Jhulan Mahotsav, because different place also they celebrate the Jhulan Mahotsav, but main Jhulan Mahotsav in Barsana and in the top of the mountain of Brahma Parvat, and in there also, and sometimes Gopis they also perform the Jhulan Mahotsav and in Lolita Kunda, and when you used to go Brajmandal Parikrama, and maybe you have seen, and very nice, beautiful that place, Jhulan Mahotsav. This is very close to Nandagaon and Uddhav Kyari, and this side Nandagaon, and also this side also Uddhav Kyari, in the middle of Uddhav Kyari and also Nandagaon. They are also called the Lolita Kunda. Um, Sometimes Gopis they also celebrate this Jhulan Mahotsav in Lolita Kunda is there. They are also very nice, beautiful times. Lolita Kunda Katha also. Because different Gopis they also perform different places also. This type of Jhulan Jatra and Brajvas and young girls they also celebrate different place. I connection on the so once the Jhulan Jatra also performed on the bank of Lolita Kunda. And very nice, beautiful. They also arrange this place. So all the Sokhis they also decorate very nice, beautiful swing. Then Srimati Radhika, she's decorate her clothes, and all the Sokhis also decorate their clothes very nicely. And nearby one Kunja, Lalita Devi, she was making one garland. And in the meantime, Narad Rishi came, and Narad Rishi asked, "Hey Lalite, what you are doing here?" Lalita Devi, she told, "Oh, I am making one garland for Krishna. But this garland will be maybe too much big for Krishna or maybe too short for Krishna. For this regard, I am breaking and making new one." Then Narad Rishi told, "Hey Lalite, listen. Krishna is very close to your kunda here, Lalita Kunda. He is herding the cows. And if you ask to me, then maybe I can call to Krishna. And then you can take measurement, and then you can proper way make the garland for Krishna." Then Lalita Devi, she told, "Oh, this is good." Then Narad Rishi, he called Krishna and came. Then Lalita Devi, he took the measurement and garland for Krishna. And all
Please wait.
that problem. So Lalita Devi, Srimati Radhika, she did not come and on that the place. So Narad Rishi, he told to Krishna, hey Krishna, and now Srimati Radhika is not here, and so Lalita can sit with you in this and swing. And so Krishna and Lalita seated, and then Krishna left that the place and came in the Kunja of Srimati Radhika and chanting this name Lalita Krishna, Lalita Krishna, Lalita Krishna. And Narada Muni, he played the and Veena and chanting this song Lalita Krishna, Lalita Krishna. Then Srimati Radhika asked, hey Naradaji, every day you are chanting and Radhe Krishna, Radhe Krishna. So today why are you chanting Lalita Krishna, Lalita Krishna? Then Krishna told, hey Radhe, look how Krishna is a big cheater. And now you are not on the swing place. So now Krishna, and he did not wait for you. And Krishna, he is sitting with Lita, and also they are performing this lila and pulling and pushing the swing. And so for this regard, I have come here, and the Sokhis, they are singing this song. What is song? झूला झूले ललिता कृष्ण वृंदावन में, झूला झूले ललिता कृष्ण वृंदावन में, वृंदावन में कृष्ण ललित. In this way, now this is singing all this. Then Srimati Radhika, how possible? And all the Sakhis, they must also wait for. But now this can come, you can see. Then Srimati Radhika, she came out from her puja and she saw and Krishna is sitting on the swing with Lalita and the Sakhi is also pushing. Then Srimati Radhika, she demand and did not come under the swing. Then time is over and then Krishna is thinking, what will do now? Why Srimati Radhika is not coming? And then Krishna came on the kunja of Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika, she become very angry. And then Krishna anyhow pacified to Srimati Radhika, told, hey Radhika, this is not my fault. And Narad Rishi, actually, he arranged this things. So I sit and with Lalita and Devi. And in this way, and Krishna pacified to Srimati Radhika's mind. Then Krishna, again Srimati Radhika came in the swing place and Radha and Krishna sit together and also they perform sweet Leela, swing Leela in that place. So in this way, there are many evidence in Braj, different days, and Braj Gopis, they also perform the swing Leela, Jhulan Leela in different place, but mainly Jhulan Leela in Barsana and in the top of the mountain of Brahma Parvat, and especially in this month of Shravan. This month in Shravan is very super excellent, auspicious, and especially in Braj today is Ekadashi. From this Ekadashi, actually this Jhulan is going on next and Ekadashi or Purnima. 15 days this Jhulan Jatra and also perform in Braj. And this is our Braj tradition. बोलो झूलन यात्रा महामहोत्सव की जय। जय जय श्री राम। the month of Shravan ki jai. So Brijavasi they also singing another also song, for the song, very very nice, beautiful, Radhe, Radhe Jhulana Padharu. I cannot sing this song. Yeah. Radhe Ramananda, can you sing this song? Oh, Radhe Jhulana Padharu. You can see your Giti Gucha book. This is very also Gurudev. This song also very favorite. Brijavasis, they are singing, and Gurudev is so much enthusiastic. Radhe Jhulana Padharu. I cannot sing this. This is little another. Radhe Jhulana Padharu. झुके आए बदराज संता। आपका कितना करता है?
झूलन पधारो झुक आए बदरा, राधे झूलन पधारो झुक आए बदरा, गिरे आए बदरा, झुक आए बदरा, झूलन पधारो झुक आए बदरा, राधे झूलन पधारो झुक आए बदरा। ऐसो मान नहीं कीजे हट छोड़ो रे, ऐसो मान नहीं कीजे हट छारो रियली, तुम तो परम शयानी वृषभान की लली, तुम तो परम शयानी वृषभान की लली, राधे झूलन पधारो झुक आए बदरा, राधे झूलन पधारो। साजो शोला श्रृंगार दारो नयनन कजना, साजो शोला श्रृंगार दारो नयनन कजना, पंचरंग सारी ओढ़े श्याम चदरा, पहिने पंचरंग सारी श्याम चदरा, राधे झूलन पधारो झुक आए बदरा, राधे झूलन पधारो झुक आए बदरा। तेरो रसिक प्रीतम मांग जोरत खरो, तेरो रसिक प्रीतम जोरत खरो, राधे जहाँ पग धरो श्याम नैना धरो, राधे जहाँ पग धरो श्याम नैना धरो, राधे झूलन पधारो झुक आए बदरा, राधे झूलन पधारो झुक आए बदरा। दारी रे श्याम गोरी जापे झूले राधा गोरी, दारी रे श्याम गोरी जापे झूले राधा गोरी, जाकी पैया गोरी गोरी पहिने हरी चूड़िया, जाकी पैया गोरी गोरी पहिने हरी चूड़िया, राधे झूलन पधारो झुक आए बदरा, राधे झूलन पधारो झुक आए बदरा।
बोलो राधा रानी की जय। जय जय श्री राम। So 15 days and should be in
Jhulan Jatra Mahotsav in Barsana. And, but we are doing only 2-3 days. And, but actual this Jhulan Jatra Mahotsav 4 months in Braj Chaturmasha. But this month is very important. I told this month and Shravan month, the Jhulan Jatra very important in our Braj, and especially this Ekadasi. So next Ekadasi, and especially the coming after Ekadasi, Dadasi, that is called Rupasani Teacher Parents Day, and 3 days also discussed about and this festival. Then Baladev Purnim, then after Baladev Purnim also Krishna Janmashtami, then after 15 days, then again Radhastami. This is the Braj festival, and now so many Braj festival will come, Braj Utsav and will come in this. And Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal Ki. I think this year and that will be everything will be in what is called and online because Corona and for this regard and this also will be in online and not because according to instruction government people cannot and many who cannot assemble together. So maybe they will speak online. And anyhow, those things are they also listen. Then devotion, and also different sub Jai Pranjata Mahosam ki Jai Asi Mahati ki Jai Jai